Yeah, my credit card, it's 4111 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 4 6, and the expiration date is 10/27, and the CVV is 123.
Thanks. Can I take this on a shopping spree?
What?
Oh, I'm just joking. I've got your information right here.
Thanks. Somebody calls your voice agent and reads out a credit card number. They spell out their email address, give you their birth date and address. That's a normal support call. And by default, every one of those digits lands in your transcript and sits inside your session recordings. Agent Observability gives you traces, logs, and transcripts for every session on a replayable timeline. But that's some sensitive, personally identifiable information there in your timeline. Well, now it can strip out PII out of every transcript and recording before any of it gets stored. Let me show you what that looks like. So here's a session from before I turned on this feature. You can see credit card number, credit card information here, as well as other personally identifiable information. And here is another session after I turned on PII Redaction. Here you can see the credit card number and all of that information is removed, along with other personally identifiable information. And it's not just the text. Also in the audio, if we play the audio, each turn that has PII in it also gets redacted in the audio. So how does this work? Well, most redaction tools work by pattern matching, like regex for credit card numbers, dictionaries of known names, phone numbers, addresses, etc. And that holds up fine for a web form where text is predictable. But speech breaks this. People spell a number out. They split things across multiple turns. They correct themselves halfway through. So instead of matching patterns, an LLM reads the whole conversation in context the way that a person would do when redacting something. And then that is what lets it catch PII across the messy ways that people actually say things out loud. So let me show you how to turn it on. So in your LiveKit dashboard, we'll go to Settings and then Observability. And this is where you turn on observability if you don't already have it enabled, and PII Redaction. And when you turn this on, it turns on several of the default categories. So we've got name, contact, demographics, etc. And then you can also view the details of the categories, and you can even have more fine-grained control here by checking or unchecking whichever selections you'd like. Now, one thing to take note of is that this does start working right away on every new session, but it does not go back and change sessions that have already been recorded. So keep that in mind. And this doesn't cost anything extra. If you're already on Agent Observability, then you already have this. You just need to go turn it on. So if you're handling credit card numbers, health information, or other PII, go to your settings and turn this on. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more voice AI content like this.